Your nervous system is designed to help you perceive the world around you and to keep you safe. There's a network of neurons that transmit signals between different parts of your body. What you need to know is that there is the parasympathetic nervous system, which can stimulate the relaxation response, and there's the sympathetic nervous system, which has the fight or flight. Fight or flight is where you sense danger and everything becomes more alert. Blood pumps through to your limbs so that you can quickly run away or you can stay and fight. This is not ideal in childbirth. In childbirth, we're wanting to get back into that relaxation state where all the blood is sent towards your internal organs and helping the system or helping that progression through your labor. Hi, I'm Kerryn, the founder of PregActive, and I'm here to help you leave fear at the door and totally own your birthing experience. This is just one small component of our complete 10-module birth preparation program. Become one of our PregActive mamas and walk into birth feeling completely confident, informed, and empowered. If you are stressed or tense or anxious, this is going to stimulate that fight or flight response and send through stress hormones through your body. This is not what we want. Next, I'm going to talk about the relaxation response and how you can activate it. It's good to know about the parasympathetic nervous system, but when we live in a society where we're constantly on the go, surrounded by stimuli and in this stress state, it's really important we have some tools to help us to activate that relaxation response. I'm about to go through 10 things that you could do to help activate that relaxation response. 1. Humming. Certainly one of our birth breathing skills that we use, and I'll cover this in more detail in the upcoming modules, but a beautiful hum is a nice way just to settle and to ground. Yawning is contagious, and it's a beautiful way to relax your jaw, get more oxygen flowing through to your system, and a really nice way to relax. Singing, it might be in the car, it might be in the shower, it might just be at home when you're pottering around the house, but just humming, singing, all of these sounds can really help to relax. Hugs and cuddles, such a beautiful thing to do and something we don't often think about as helping us to relax, but it is something that you can do with your partner or with loved ones. Hugs and cuddles are beautiful. Meditations and guided relaxations, which I have coming up for you. Yin Yoga. Yin Yoga is where you hold a relaxing pose for a longer period of time. Breath work, as we'll talk through soon. Massage and gentle touch. Gratitude, which is where some beautiful affirmations will come in. And grounding hobbies. Might be drawing, journaling, painting, something maybe creative or playful, something that is good for you and grounding for you. See below to access my free active birth class. For more videos just like this, visit PregActive.com.